Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Chrome remote desktop. Let's get into it. First, set a strong PIN. The first step is to create a secret code that only you know. This is the main key that unlocks your computer from another device. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop app and look for the spot to enter your PIN. Pick a long string of numbers that is hard for others to guess, but easy for you to remember. Next, use a private Google account. You want to make sure you are using a personal account that has its own strong locks. Avoid using shared accounts that other people might have the password for. Check the top corner of the screen to see which email address is logged in. If it is a group account, sign out and use your private email for your setup. Ensure that only you have the power to start a remote session. Lastly, turn on extra login protection. Now you can add a second step to your login. This means even if someone finds your password, they still cannot get in without a special code from your phone. Go to your Google account settings and turn on the feature called two-step verification. Follow the simple steps on the screen. It ensures that your connection is double protected against anyone trying to guess your password. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.